In front of me is DOOGEE V30, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then tap on Theme section. Scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it with an image, click on the same gear. Tap on Theme. But this time, click on this plus icon under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!